Dhal-Bhumgar Airport, a proposed aviation hub in Jharkhand. Dhal-Bhumgar Airport is a proposed domestic airport planned to enhance air connectivity in Jharkhand, particularly for Jamshedpur and the surrounding region. The airport is to be built on the site of a former World War II airstrip in the Dhal-Bhumgar, about 70 km from Jamshedpur. This initiative is a part of government's efforts to improve regional transportation and boost economic development. The original airstrip at Dhal-Bhumgar was constructed during World War II in 1942. It was used by Allied force for a military operation and a logistical support. However, after the war, the airstrip was endombed and renamed non-operational for decades. With the increasing demand for a better air connectivity in Jharkhand, the idea of reviving this airstrip into the full-fledged airport gained traction. Here is the project development and the infrastructure plan. The Airport Authority of India, in collaboration with the Jharkhand government, proposed the development of Dhal-Bhumgar Airport under the Regional Connectivity Scheme, UDAN. An agreement was signed in 2019 to begin construction with AAI holding a 51% stake and the state government owning 49%. The initial phase of this project includes a 1,745-meter runway suitable for ATR-72 type aircraft, a modern terminal building designed to handle up to 150 passengers per hour, an air traffic control tower and other essential aviation infrastructure. Future expansion plan aim to extend the runway to accommodate larger aircraft, potentially transforming Dhal-Bhumgar into a major regional airport. Here is the challenges and the delay of the Dhal-Bhumgar airport. Despite strong planning efforts, the project has faced multiple challenges, primarily related to the environmental and land acquisition issue. Environmental concern. A major portion of the proposed aircraft site falls within the forest area that serves as an elephant corridor. Wildfire experts and environmental activists have raised concern about potential habitat destruction and the impact on elephant migration pattern. The clearance required from the Forest Department has been a significant hurdle in moving forward with the project. Land acquisition and the local opposition. Residents from nearby villages have opposed the project due to the concern about deforestation and its impact on their livelihood. Many depend on forest resources for daily life, and the potential displacement has led to protests and legal challenges. Here is the infrastructure readiness. While some progress has been made, such as completion of 3.5 km approach road to the airport, and the main construction work remains stalled due to pending government approval and environmental clearance. The AAI has stated that work will begin only once the Jharkhand government provides encumbrance-free land. As the early 2025, the project remained in limbo due to unresolved environmental and land issues. The state government and AAI are working towards finding a solution, possibly through alternative location or revised plan that balance development with the ecological preservation. In the parallel, authorities are exploring the expansion of Jamshedpur existing Sonari Airport as the potential short-term solution to improve air connectivity in the region. Last but not the least, here is the conclusion of Dhal-Bhumgar Airport has the potential to transform air travel in Jharkhand, creating economic opportunity and improving connectivity. However, balancing development with environmental conservation and a local community interest remain a critical challenge. For the project to succeed, collaborative approach involving government agencies, environmental expert and the local stakeholder will be necessary. Thank you for watching this video.